interplay of the physical with the subtle bodies is controlled by a central force called the vital force. This encompasses the various acupuncture meridians in the physical body and connects the chakra systems within each of our bodies. Chakra is a Sanskrit word which means wheel. Thus, a chakra is a wheel of energy that can be thought of as a vortex. A vortex is a funnel of spinning energy opening into higher dimensions. Up to this point in our evolution, we have concentrated on the 7 main chakras in the physical and all subtle bodies. As we advance into the higher planes of consciousness, we can begin to develop a knowledge of the system of 12 chakras. There are hundreds of smaller chakras, or nadis, which are thread-like helixes all over the body, which have their own specific functions. Each of the 7 major chakras is located at a major nerve plexus along the brain and spinal cord, the central nervous system. There is an endocrine, which is a hormone-producing gland associated with each chakra. The chakras function to energize or vitalize the physical body through bringing in divine energy. This energy is of a very high vibrational rate, and in order to get it to the individual cell, there is an energy networking system. Divine energy enters the chakra and goes to the nadis, which send the energy into the physical nervous system. The nervous system transmits the energy to the endocrine system, which uses the various hormones present to send the energy into the bloodstream. The bloodstream passes the energy into each one of the cells in the physical body. The 7 main chakras are within the body, and the other 5 chakras are located above the physical body. As we begin consciously using these other 5 chakras, we will draw into us the higher dimensional frequencies and energies with which our soul is already working. Barbara Marciniak explains the function of the 5 higher chakras in her book, Bringers of the Dawn. She states that when you get to the 5 outer chakras, you must begin to find new ways to figure your reality. The 8th chakra is the filter system. It is located about 1 foot above the head and is the main communicating system between your 7 chakras and the higher self. The 9th chakra is about 3 feet above the head and helps the higher self communicate with reality outside the Earth's atmosphere. The 10th chakra is 6 feet above the head and allows you to bring in the consciousness of the Christ self. It allows you to communicate with the sun and the center of the solar system. The 11th chakra connects you with the galactic consciousness, and the 12th moves you to the center of the universe. The body and the universal mind are connected by the nadis. In Gerber's vibrational medicine, he states, because of this intricate interconnection with the nervous system, the nadis affect the nature and quality of nerve transmission within the extensive network of the brain, spinal cord and peripheral nerves. Dysfunction at the level of the chakras and nadis can, therefore, be associated with pathological changes in the nervous system. This dysfunction can be not only quantitative in regard to the absolute amount of subtle energetic flow to the physical nerve substance, but also qualitative in terms of coordination between the chakra, nadi and nervous system. In other words, there is a special alignment between the major chakras, glands and nerve plexuses that is necessary for optimal human functioning. Energy imbalances in the chakras, nadis, meridians or the nervous system impede this flow of divine energy into the physical body. The physical body is the final manifestation of the energies in the higher vibratory bodies, which we call the subtle bodies. When there is a blockage in any of the parts of the system, the body becomes diseased.